Hey guys, I'm Janvi and I hope that my videos are helping you out because there are so many people involved behind this. मैं अकेली, it's not possible for me to do because I'm not an expert with all the boards. Now, there was a question by Ashutosh that I would like to read out, and this video is an answer to that question. He asks me, hey Janvi, share your own experience when you were going to give board exams. How did you feel and were you stressed or not? So the answer to that question would be that my case was I was very relaxed because that's my nature. जैसे मैं roller coaster में भी बैठती हूँ, so I don't get scared about the roller coaster because I'm sure that you're not gonna fall down or you're not gonna die. Particularly because they've designed it in a way that it's just going to give you a thrill. So मुझे पता है कि you're not gonna die. When we are scared, it means that there's some. Why do we get scared on a roller coaster? The only fact that we feel कि हम लोग मर जाएंगे when we are going up and down, and so we feel अरे यार मैं मर गई तो या मैं मर गया तो. And when your brain accepts the fact कि नहीं यार, it's well designed, it's technologically designed in a way that we are not going to fall, we are wearing all the belts and all of that, हम नहीं मरने वाले हैं. In that case मुझे किसी भी roller coaster में डर नहीं लगता. Similar was with the board exams. I knew that I did not take it so seriously. Just as my cousin who's a pilot, he says that if you don't clear your board exams or if you don't get the desired marks that you wanted, सबसे ज़्यादा बुरा आपके साथ जो होगा that is कि आपको जो कॉलेज चाहिए थी वो नहीं मिलेगी. But that does not mean कि आपको जो बनना था वो नहीं बनोगे. For example, if you wanted to be a psychologist, शायद आपको वो कॉलेज में नहीं मिला जिसमें आपको एडमिशन चाहिए था, but doesn't mean that you can't be a good psychologist. You can still do what you want. So it does not really matter. ये चीज़ आप माइंड में रख लीजिए. एंड बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम इज़ जस्ट टेक इट इन अ वे दैट इज़ ठीक है, इट्स जस्ट अनदर एग्ज़ाम, इट्स जस्ट अनदर थिंग. एंड वाई इवन मेक अ हाइप ऑफ इट इफ़ योर हेड इज़ पेनिंग and if you behave कि मैं मरने वाला हूँ, and if you start writing letters to all the people you love, it's like that. If you're making board exams a big thing, it's just like आप एक simple headache को cancer बना रहे हो. It's because it's not a big deal. So that is the reason why I was very much relaxed. I've enjoyed my board exams thoroughly because अच्छे से you get a lot of holidays, plus you get a lot of support from the family. कुछ काम नहीं करना पड़ता. It's always fun to have board exams. I wish I can give my board exams again because I understand कि society keeps a pressure, but if you keep your mindset where you don't want to take the fear, you can just be out of it. So so that was a good question. Rarely have I seen people who've not at all been stressed. शायद देखा ही नहीं है मैंने ऐसे किसी को. But I know I used to be the one and I used to do music shows. मैं shows करती थी. I had done my life's first show as a motivator when I was doing my 10th standard board exams. So just to set an example कि during the boards, during the prelims, I have been doing all of that, and yet I managed to score. I managed to be in the topmost in my school. And same with boards, I was the highest in my class and all of that. So in my 12th boards also I scored much more than I had expected. अब stress करोगे तो doesn't mean that you're going to be very good with your studies. And relax रहने के लिए see to it that you're in touch with your own self.